Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and very good morning. Today I'm going to present about residential for sale for my group assignment. First of all, let me introduce my team members. I have 6 team members including myself, which is Hasnur Nazmi Hasbullah, AP 210407, Intan Nur Hidayah binti Lin, AP 210423, Rabiatul Adawiyah binti Sakiman, AP 210397, Muhammad Ikmal bin Matpian, AP 210437, Amira Zulaika binti Abdul Malik, AP 210403, and Muhammad Akli bin Yassin, AP 210024. Right, without any more delay, I'm going to start this presentation now.
The report and valuation is made in pursuance to the instruction letter that issued by the Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad to value the property that captioned on the report evaluation. The purpose for which this report is prepared is for the financial use. The date of valuation shall be the date of inspection, that is 17 May 2022.
Public utilities and services. There are several public utilities such as sewerage, electricity supply, and water supplies connected to the subject property. Occupancy status. At the time of our inspection, we noted that the subject property is not occupied. From our observation, the occupancy rate within the scheme during the site inspection is approximately 15%. The location is at PT number 1125, held under title number HSD 1197, Mukim Semenye, District of Hulu Langat, State of Selangor, bearing postal address Lot 1125, Batu 1, Jalan Bangi, 43500, Hulu Langat, Selangor. Situated adjacent to Semtech Technology Park, which is 500 meters from the subject property. The subject property is located about 10 kilometers from Lekas Highway and approximately 5.4 kilometers not too far from the residential area known as Surya Mewah Residency.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and very good morning. So I'm going to continue the presentation from my other members, which is on site section. So for accommodation, we have 10 category, which is structure, wall, roof cover, roof structure, ceiling, window, door, ironmongery, wall finisher, and floor finisher. For structure, we use reinforced concrete frame, and for wall, we use common clay brick. For roof cover, we use roof tile, and roof structure, we use RC slab or steel frame. For ceiling, we use skin coat finish or ceiling board. And the window, it use center pivot window. For the door, there are 2 categories, which is main entrance and others. For main entrance, it use timber door and others use panel door. For ironmongery, selected quality lock set. And wall finisher, we have 4 categories, which is master bed, beds, kitchen, and others. It use porcelain tiles up to the ceiling height, porcelain or ceramic tile up to the ceiling height, and ceramic tiles up to 1.5 meter plaster and paint. For other, we use plaster and paint only. For floor finisher, there are many categories, which is car porch, foyer and living, dining and pantry, kitchen utility, master bed, other bed, family, master bedroom, bedroom 2 and 3, terrace and balcony, and yard staircase. All of these mainly use concrete imprint and porcelain tiles, and use RC staircase with porcelain tiles. So I'm going to pass this presentation to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ikmal. So I will continue this presentation with the building element used in this project. The first building is shop lot. The first one, for the structure we use reinforced concrete. For wall we use masonry. For wall finishes, toilet and floor we use metal. Next is door, we use roller shutter. Window we use aluminium frame. Fencing we use mine steel. And last one, The building condition is good state of appearance. For the second building is semi-detached 2-story house. For accommodation, ada bath 2, family, master bedroom, bedroom 2 and 3, terrace and balcony. We need ceramic tiles, and for yard staircase, we need RC staircase with ceramic tile. For the second one, sanitary wires and plumbing. We need 4 unit for shower, 5 unit for water process, also 5 unit for water tap and basin, and 1 set for sink. For the third part is electrical fitting. We need 15 unit for lighting point, 6 unit for fan points, 20 unit for 30A socket outlet, 6 unit for air conditioning point, 2 unit TV outlet, 1 unit doorbell point, 2 unit telephone outlet, and the outer gate point we need 1 unit. For the last one is external. Fence wall for France we need 1.5 meter cement brick wall and mixed grill. For the last one, fence wall for the side and back we need 1.5 meter cement brick wall. And last but not least, gate we need mixed steel gate with texture plans. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will be presenting the part of the particular title deed and the method of valuation. The subject property is located at Mukim Semi District, Hulu Lenak, Selangor. The property is freehold and the quick rent is around 70 ringgit. The condition is agricultural and owned by Lo Suyi. The area is 5 acre. Alright, and then for the methods of valuation, we use comparable method to assess the land, while the development for terrace house, semi-detached, and the shop lot will be used the residual method. For the gross development value is estimated about 150,659 ringgit 282. For a single unit semi-detached 2-story house, it is estimated about 1,244,882, and then the shop lot estimated for one price per unit is 101,504,300 ringgit, and the double stories house is 895,000 ringgit Malaysia. The total will be 150,659,282. Okay, alright. For development cost, we have calculated the infrastructure, which is for the playground, the road and drains, the water supply, electricity supply, and the sewerage is about 4,466 ringgit Malaysia. And then for the property type, we have the semi-detached story house, the shop lot, and then the double story house. We also have calculated the total professional fees, including the engineering fees and then the architecture and surveyor fees. For the gross development value, as we can see here, the 150,659 ringgit 282. And then there is sales operation, the registration of the title, the infrastructure cost, the building cost, the professional cost, and then including the finance cost, which is the 50% of total value or 10% for 1 year. And then the contingencies, the 5% of project cost, the developer profits and risk 10% of gross development value. And then after the calculation, we achieve the residual value for land, which is RM 46,631,134.99 cents. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will talk about evidence of value. Our investigation revealed the following sale evidences which are comparable to the subject property. Firstly, 2 half-story semi-detached house. Market evidence comparable analysis transaction sale shows evidence 1 is Rm 1,100,000, while evidence 2 is Rm 1,200,000, and same as evidence 3, which is transaction sale is Rm 1,200,000. Comparable time adjustment for evidence 1 is Rm 1,133,000, while evidence 2 and evidence 3 is Rm 1,236,000. The market value for evidence 1 is Rm 1,121,670, while evidence 2 and evidence 3 are same, which is Rm 1,223,640. The market value for evidence 1 is Rm 1,121,670, while evidence 2 and evidence 3 are same, which is Rm 1,200. In a nutshell, 2 half-story semi-detached house market value is Rm 1,284,822 ringgit Malaysia. Secondly is shop lot. Market evidence comparable analysis transaction sale for evidence 1 is Rm 1,300,000, while evidence 2 is Rm 560,000, and evidence 3 is Rm 480,000 only. Comparable time adjustment for evidence 1 is Rm 1,339,000, while evidence 2 is Rm 576,800, and evidence 3 is Rm 494,400 and 264, and evidence 3 market value is Rm 489,456 ringgit Malaysia. In a nutshell, market value for shop lot is Rm 1,440,000 and 726 ringgit 80 sen. Thirdly is double-story terrace house. A market evidence comparable analysis transaction sale for evidence 1 is Rm 840,000, while evidence 2 is Rm 630,000, and evidence 3 is Rm 727,000. Comparable time adjustment for evidence 1 is Rm 865,200, while evidence 2 is Rm 648,900, while evidence 3 is Rm 748,810 ringgit Malaysia. Market value for evidence 1 is Rm 891,156, while evidence 2 market value is Rm 661,878. And lastly, evidence 3 market value is Rm 763,786 ringgit. In a nutshell, market value is Rm 895,100. The above price range is attributable to the location, level, size, time, surrounding of the property and the other relevant factors. The said evidence provides the basis in determining the market value of the subject property under this valuation exercise. Next is opinion of value. Firstly is market value. Property that has been inspected after taking into consideration the component related to of the subject property. In specific and other variables that influence the value or property in common, we are conjecture that the market value of the subject property identified as PT number 1125 held under title number HST 1197 Mukim Semeneh, District of Hulu Langat, State of Selangor, with vacant possession is ringgit Malaysia 46,631,134.99 sen only. Secondly is for sale value. We assess the for sale value of the subject property at ringgit Malaysia 70 million only. And thirdly and lastly is fire insurance value. We assess the fire insurance value of the subject property at ringgit Malaysia 45,230,000 only. That's all from us. Thank you.